Hello everybody and welcome to the first tech teardown video. A quick disclaimer, this video is more of a test video and it should be only watched for educational purposes only. If you watch the video all the way through, you can see there's many things that went wrong. The camera overheated, the camera then died, and the focus was all messed up. I hope to fix these problems in future videos, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. First off, we're going to talk about the contraption I used to record. I built this wooden contraption thing in like an hour or so, and since my desk is in the closet, the railing is still there, so it can like slide up in that railing and connect, and the magnets hold it in place. So I can put my phone up there and it records like perfectly fine. And it looks really cool. If it would have focused the whole time. I had a blast doing this, so expect more of these videos in the future. And also, this is kind of a teaser for the future videos. Hello everybody, and welcome to a teardown video. This is more just entertainment than anything else because this is a freaking old, what is this? Canon camera. Ooh. Like really old, like 2004. Probably not that old. I don't know. The name of the camera will be in the description. The reason why I'm starting halfway through this teardown is because my Pixel, thank you Pixel, decided to malfunction and shut down after I started recording it, and apparently it only started recording like the first 30 seconds. So I just decided to scrap that footage because I wasn't even starting to tear it down yet. As you can see, we are about, I don't even know, halfway through. Probably not even that far. Our objective is to take apart this camera with breaking the least amount of parts possible. We already broke 3 parts, but I don't really blame us on those. They kind of just like fell off with no force. They're part of the housing, so like, it's nothing electronic. Like, I could still put it back together and still work, hopefully. Don't know if it does work, because if you watch the starting part of the video, which you can't, hate my life, it would show that there was no batteries or anything in this camera. It was in our junk scrap pile. I don't think it was broken. I'm pretty sure it was just thrown in there because we never used it. When I was talking, I figured out there was another screw right here, so we're gonna start with that screw. Start with that screw. Yes, start. Also, what I was saying, I'm gonna stop saying that actually. Also, this is a different video. Yes, I know that. I just really like taking apart stuff, and I kind of wanted to take apart something else that'll be on the channel soon, hopefully. Yeah. Plus, I feel like this is very relaxing and better than playing video games for like 2.5 hours, or a lot longer than that. So I just unplugged a ribbon cable. I think I can now just take this guy off. Yeah, it looks to be that way, but there's something resisting it. A metal... Oh, it's wires. Holy cow. A bunch of wires. What is this? Why is this so important? Huh. Okay. Oh. Okay, the light assembly is coming out now. As well. Oh. There goes the spring. Crap. Okay, here we go. We have another spring. Almost lost that spring as well. Huh. So it looks like this whole lighting assembly thing was supposed to be able to move. Which I don't recall it ever doing that. This is like the game operation right here. Let's get that. There's like a little metal bar that I'm trying to get out. That's holding the camera back. There it goes. There we go. There's a little metal bar. That's where the spring was. Where the frick did this come from? No idea, so we're just gonna put that guy there. Actually, I think that might have been part of the lens, thing. The lens. The thing that was holding up to the camera. Let's see. So, all of these seem to be soldered on. Wait, where would this been at? Where would it have been? Where would have been the shoot? Oh, it would have been that button. That button's the shoot button. Or the capture button. Maybe? Oh, yes. Okay, that's a big chunk of that. Things you miss. Well, the first time around. This is definitely not going anywhere. This screen thing. Is that a screw? No. They really soldered a lot of the freaking, things on this camera. I was showing you guys this earlier, but there's an E. I found that funny. I made a joke about it. And it was funnier than me pointing it out just now. Because I didn't know about it that time. Okay, we're trying to take out the light bulb right now. Trying not to break everything. Prefer not to have glass shards all over my desk. That would be nice. Okay, we're gonna try to dump it out. Fall out, please. Okay. If it's gonna be that hard to take that out, I'm just gonna leave it in. Don't know if that's a good idea, but we're gonna leave it in there. There's a screw right there. How many screws did I miss? Holy cow. I'm looking like an amateur. Oh gosh. The screwdriver just went into the housing of the camera. Okay. I am an amateur, that's why I look like one. Okay, we're gonna flip that over so it's... Okay, that's more shiny. What did unscrewing that thing do? I feel like this should just pop off. Yeah. Okay, that means this should probably pop off. Yes. Oh, there's a little switch here. I don't know what that's for. That means this should probably pop off. Correctamundo. Which means this should probably slide off. Haha! Huzzah! I'm gonna try straightening this out so it looks better. On the table. For that juicy thumbnail. I will put a disclaimer at the beginning of this video saying that, this is not a complete teardown because I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't want you to follow what I'm doing. Because I'm just doing this for the fun of it. I am not doing this for, I'm doing this for educational purposes only. Do not repeat my actions. In any case possible. Please do not sue me if you break any of your, electronics. Thank you. Let's see. I feel like this whole time this thing should come out. But it appears to be stuck. Oh, this guy's loose. Oh. Is that more tape? It's either a speaker or tape. I don't know why there would be two speakers. More tape-a-rooney. Okay. That is where'd the tape go. Okay, there's also a little tiny freaking O-ring right here that fell out. Again, this is why I said do not follow what I'm doing, because I just lose random stuff like this. There's a little tiny O-ring on the end of my screwdriver. It's like super mega tiny. Oh, there's the tape. It was on the lens. We're gonna put that in a trash pile. Ow, I just punched my monitor. Is that a screw? I feel like that might be a screw. Just covered in nastiness. Or they might have melted it so you can't take this bit off. There's another spring. Okay, there's a spring down here, but I don't know why that's there. Let's try to get this guy out. Huh. Okay, Huh. Well, maybe I need to check on my camera again to see if it's working. Phone is getting warm. Some features may be... Well, don't be getting warm then, my guy. If it shuts off again because it gets too hot. I wonder if that's why it shut off the first time. Did it get too hot? Did it get too warm? Okay, my phone died again. What it was showing you guys before it died is that we finally got off this, or it overheated again. It didn't just die, it overheated. So now my phone's only at 30%, so I'm hoping it doesn't die now. What it's showing you guys is this, contraption thing that's in here, that, like, reflects the light, and, like, you can zoom in and out by, like, twisting this thing. So here, let me try to put it back together. Okay, I think I put it back together. Let me see if it works. Definitely works. Okay. So if I hold this up to the camera, it zooms in, zooms out. Oh gosh. So it's like a high def thing, zooming in and out. Which is pretty neat. I might keep that. So we have to find what screw needs to be unscrewed. What's up, Logan? Hey. Yep, very busy. I think I have to unplug this guy. If I can get around all the wires. There we go. Okay, and I broke it. Hopefully that end was supposed to get unplugged too. Because that might actually be the first part we broke. Oh no, it looks like it was supposed to come undone as well. Yeah, it definitely was. This is just a cord. Okay, nice. Nice-a-roonies. Okay. So, that's all soldered on there. We have more springs, more rods, more of everything. I feel like maybe we can get this out now. Maybe we just broke something. Who knows? Is there any screws under there? Possibly. Who knows? Huh. Okay, let's unplug this guy. Okay, what the frick is that thing? Don't know where that came out of. Oh, this guy's loose too. Okay, don't just pull random things. That's probably not the smartest thing to do. So there's a guy under there. Oh, this thing can come out. Okay. this whole plastic bit can be released, maybe, if I grab it in a certain way. If I tell it I love it. There it goes. Okay, we have the next plastic bit out, which is helping us in our quest. Now we should be able to unscrew the final screw in the motherboard. Yes, the motherboard. Okay, now we should be able to skedaddle, skadoodle. Maybe. If this maybe possibly works. Huh. Oh, that is definitely a battery. Okay, maybe that's a capacitor. Oh wait, aren't capacitors batteries? No idea. We're just gonna be a little bit more cautious. Not super cautious. We're gonna, oh shoot. Okay, I forgot to start the audio. So the audio would have been pretty crappy at said point in time. Like, I don't have forever long I was recording, like 3 minutes maybe. I don't know. I'm sorry about that. I looked up and I saw it wasn't recording and I was like, oh shoot. So this video is gonna be a freaking mess. It's like a nightmare on steroids. Did I just rip that? No, I didn't. Okay, we're good. There we go. Huzzah! Okay. What is this stuck on? Ooh. 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 We're getting there. Oh, can this come out? Oh, crap. Come on. Hey, haha. Huzzah! Okay, now what the frick am I doing? The whole thing is falling apart now. There we go. Okay. How? Oh, they just glued in this battery. Okay. Another bit. Another bit for the bob. Hey. Another bit for the rob. I'm gonna dip in the bob. Don't know what I'm doing, please help. Hey. That's gonna be stuck. Another more trash pile. Hey. Okay, I'm gonna stop the cringe fest right there, okay? Okay. I'm getting kind of annoyed with this camera. More with my phone, because it's being stupid. Governor. Okay, so all these wires are connected in every single freaking possible way that you can imagine. Okay, we can get this guy off. Hopefully. There we go. We got our prized possession. Woo! But we have a problem. I figured there was gonna be like a ew. Okay, we can take off that. Ew, I hate tape. Please get off my finger. Okay. There's a lot more wires over here than I thought there were. Okay, those are all soldered in. You really cannot force that in. Huh. Okay, that looks like we can take that apart more. We'll take a look at this guy. So here's the light of the bulb. Okay, we're not gonna mess with that actually. Put that back on. So all these are soldered on. So we're probably just gonna rip those off. Because ain't nobody got time for that. Yeah. We're just gonna rip those off. Oh, holy cow. Okay, I guess we're not ripping those off. Don't want to break the whole motherboard. Sticky stuff. Oh, that's a motor. Is that a motor? Something. It's a bunch of copper wire wrapped together. Okay. Okay, I broke that off. What was that to? Oh, that's just the battery to... Okay, that's good. Shutting down. No! Okay, my phone died again, but this time it was actually dying, so we got the clips that time. So I'm not charging it and it won't overheat. So it's been like what, like 30 minutes, 40 minutes since I left off, so I'm just gonna refresh myself. We have this camera thing. We're gonna take that part more in depth. We're gonna take apart this more. Even though all this is soldered. We might actually just keep all this together. Let's see. That's just the battery terminal. We can just like rip these off. No, we can't. Can we? I feel like I already said that before. Okay. We're just gonna leave all this together, actually. Because that's all soldered together, which is kind of insane. So we're gonna keep all that over there. I'm gonna take apart this guy, the part that I'm after. Hopefully we can use this lens to up in there. Let's keep it focused though. Let's see. Okay. So now we have to let's see. Let us see. We're just gonna unscrew the screws and hope for the best. If this doesn't work, we're gonna... Well, it doesn't work, I guess. That's what happens if it don't work. If it don't work, it don't work. But it's, I'm really hoping it works so we can have a zoom effect on our cameras. So basically we're taking apart a camera to make a camera better. Who would have thunk? Oops, there goes that. Actually, we're gonna want to unscrew these first. Come on. You can feel it, it's bumping. It's a stripping. That is a... Oh, it's like glued in. Huh. Okay, let me unscrew these first. Because the other 3 screws are like glued into place. So I'm gonna have to probably scrape them off with the razor blade. This guy. Let's see. Oh, hopefully my phone doesn't mess up anymore. I don't really see it doing that because, I mean, we're so close to being done. Okay, yeah, let's unscrew these screws. Did I just rip that? No, I did not. Okay. Everybody says it's extremely easy to rip these cords, but I've yet to rip one. I'm lifting up. I'm not swiping towards my finger. We'll go this way, I guess. That might be plastic there. They might have melted plastic right up. Yeah, I think they melted plastic right over those guys. Oh, we have a spring there. Gosh dang it. How are we gonna do that? There we go. Got the spring. Now what? Maybe, just maybe. Oh my gosh. So we have a bunch of little gears. I have no idea how they fit in there. Okay. So we have a lens there. Ooh, that lens actually looks like it's the one we're looking for. Okay, we're gonna cut this. And we're gonna cut this. Now we're just gonna rip off all these wires. There's a motor. It's kind of annoying that they put this plastic. All I want is that lens. Please. Please, just give me it. There's like plastic beads that they put over the... That was close. That they put over the screws. So I don't know how I'm supposed to get those out. I'll deal with that in a little bit. So we have our little gear bits. Oh, there we go. Huh. That is pretty neat. We need to get off. Ooh, there's little screws on the backside. Maybe. Just maybe we can get this off. We're gonna keep those screws over here because we might need those. What's weird to think about is how the cameras in smartphones now are a lot better than the camera. Whoops, broke that. Hopefully I didn't need that. Cameras in like these old electronics. Like, I know lots of people say that, like, isn't that insane? Well, yeah, it kinda is. That's why a lot of people say it. Okay, I think... Oh gosh, that's a lens. Ooh, okay, don't scratch that lens. I want this lens. Yeah, there's a spring there. I just pull that guy out. Yep. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so now I should just be able to pull this guy out. Just let me... I'm confused. Oh, it's got a huge fingerprint on it. Huh. Why is that not open? I don't know, but I want this lens. This lens is amazing. Oh gosh, oh, I thought we lost the spring. Okay, if I twist it this way, we get stopped by that. If I twist it that way, we get stopped by that. Okay, there we go. Oh, there's a screw there. Okay. The cord that I just broke was already broken. So, old electronics are easier to take apart. But they're also more annoying sometimes because they didn't use, like proper connected bits. Shoot. Okay, I do not want to lose that lens. That's my one goal in life. Is to not lose that lens. Okay, here we... So tiny. Oh, I thought I unscrewed it. There's another screw. Gosh dang it, you tricked me. That's why it was so hard to get out. Come on. Oh, that's not the screw. Oh gosh. I think this screw is stripped. Holy cow, that was hard to say. That was very difficult to say. Oh gosh. We just need to hold that there. And we failed. Come on. Just unscrew. My guy. It's not that difficult. Did I get it? Yes, it's almost there. Oh, and I just... Oh, no, I didn't. Okay. Now we should be able to unscrew. I don't know which way we're supposed to unscrew. I'm gonna spin this way. And come on. Huh. I feel like I'm missing something. Did I just break it? Yeah, I did. Good. I broke the right piece. That's why I said good. Oh, I see. There's like a nut. Come on. We're almost there. I feel like we're not making any progress anymore. For some odd reason. Where's the razor blade? Ah. Oh. That was extremely easy. I was overthinking that. Okay. Let me go get something to clean this. Okay. Let's see. Okay, that might have worked. Let's try this away. Maybe we need all the other lenses to make it work? I don't know. So easy when you can just... Oh! Okay. Can we somehow get this to open up the lens? Because I want to see if we can see with... Oh, here's the sensor. That's the thing that's like in place. There's one of the lenses. That bit's broken, so I'll put that over there because it looks less cool. Huh. That is pretty neat. So if you look, there's that screw that follows that path. I don't know how they determined that path, but there has to be gears or something in there determining the route. If I unscrew this guy, everything's gonna break down, isn't it? Dun, 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 dun. How about if I unscrew this guy? this guy. Okay. And this guy. These are some funky looking screws. Extremely funky looking screws. Whoa. Oh. Hello. Oh, that's going the wrong way. Okay, maybe that's what's supposed. Oh, here we go. That's the shutter doors. Huh. Okay, we can unscrew that. Oh! What just broke? More broken bits. I put too much pressure on one of the legs. It just decided to give up on me. Are they both soldered? Yes. Here's another lens. Okay, so all the lenses separately just look blurry. Huh. That is strange. So I wonder if I can get a combination of just two of them to look fine. Come on. Oh. Where is it? Let's see, this one. We have this one first. I don't even remember which way this is supposed to go. It's supposed to go this way. Battery run out soon. Oh wow. Dang. Holy freaking cow. I took it off the stand thing. Let's look at this. I'll show you guys the weird looking screws that I was talking about. This is so weird. Dang. That is insane. That is so cool. So we can go over here and like, yes, hello. That is actually great. Huh. Okay, let's look at some other parts. Well, let's look at the sensor. That is fantastic. Logan, come look at this. So this is one of the lenses from the camera. Alright. I was like, oh, I wonder what this lens does, and I put it up. It makes everything look all blurry, right? Mm-hmm. It just makes it so it's like you have to bring it insanely close. Where is it?
Why not you use that?
Yeah. And you need to 3D print something to put this on.
Okay. Well, if you design a file, I'll print it off for you.
So we got what we were looking for, the lenses. We have one lens. Don't know what the focal point of this lens is. We actually need to get this one out. We have 3 lenses. Oh, here. We have 3 lenses. And yeah. So we need to... Okay, before my phone dies, we need to fit this. See if can I just... Okay, yeah, that just pops out. Okay, let's see how about what this lens does. This lens just makes everything blurry. Huh. Okay. How about this lens? I don't know which way this one's supposed to go either. I think it's supposed to go this way. Or I wish I could see that with my own eye. The camera won't focus on this one. So the only one we really know what it does is this one. Which, this one is great. Like, that's insane. That's insane. Like, look how tiny that is. What can I use for scale? Quarter. That's a quarter. Oh, actually, speaking of quarter, we can look at him. Where is he? Dang. Look at all his imperfections. That is crazy. Huh. P. Barely see the P in. Let's look at the backside. I'm just having fun now. There we go. I mean, I was having fun before. Dang. My camera is so close to the desk. Like, to put in perspective how close it is to the desk, it's about that high off the desk. A quarter high. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this partial camera teardown. The second half of it, because the first half was corrupted. Again, please don't follow this as a guide. Just watch it as entertainment. Because I have no idea what I'm doing. Especially for the soldered bits. Where are they? For the soldered bits, like these guys over here and stuff, like I just ripped those out because I didn't want to get out the solder gun to desolder them. And plus that just ruins the fun out of it for like trying to do something quick. But we got what we were looking for. The 3 lenses. I didn't know how many there were, but we figured out what one of the lenses does. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for sticking around this long. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.